Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair exploded 2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 6.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 7.2% during the session. The ROC's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.7% during the session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Germany, Italy and France are among European countries that have been snapping up cheap Russian fuel. Their purchases made up almost half of the $97 billion in revenue Russia got from fuel exports. The European Central Bank intends to ensure that its monetary policy is transmitted equally across the Eurozone's 19 member states by preventing undue turbulence on government bond markets, according to Governing Council member Olli Rehn. The Japanese yen fell 2% after the Bank of Japan bucked a wave of tightening and stuck with its ultra-accommodative stance, adding to soaring volatility in currency markets hit by a series of rate hikes last week.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's producer price index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's construction output at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's Rightmove house price index will be released at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. China's PBOC interest rate decision at 0130 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.